Hi friends, let's start how to install code blocks and run one small C program. Before that, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Let's go to the Chrome and type code blocks download. Click on downloads. Here, download the binary release. Click on this. Close this ad. Scroll down. Microsoft Windows. Here you can see code blocks MinGW setup. Click on here source for. You can see your download will start shortly. Yeah, you can see it is started downloading. Yeah, go to folder and just right click, run as administrator. Click on yes. Click next. Agree. Next. Install. Yes. Next. Finish. So code blocks will open for us. So it should be created at here. Yeah, code blocks you can see. Just yeah, it's opened for us. Yeah, create new project. Click on files. Click on C++ stores. Go. Next. Select the C. Click next. You have to select the path. So I'm selecting in the desktop. So file name C language like that I'm putting. So click on save. So file name I have to write. I have selected the folder name. So I'll put the C. Just save it. Finish it. So you can run the hello world program here. Yeah, this is the program. Just click on build. Click on build and run. Yeah, you can see here hello world. Okay, this is the output. Thank you so much.